In this video, we're going to show you how to utilize the parcel search to search for land based on either land use types, FLU codes, or zoning codes. So for this example, for our county, make sure you always select the county. That's how your zoning codes will populate. I'm going to come here, hit select the county. We'll go down to Hillsborough. And then down here, we have a drop-down list here for land use types, FLU codes, and zoning codes. So for land use types, we're going to look for, let's say, some vacant residential, vacant commercial, we will look for some vacant industrial land as well. And then we're going to come down to some of this cropland here. We'll move some of this over. And then we can even look for a little bit further undefined and keep scrolling through this list here. You can see plenty of different options. We'll also add this number 99, acreage not zoned agricultural. We'll hit OK on that. For zoning codes, we'll keep it simple. We'll do a we'll do an AR, and we'll do a PD as well. We'll hit OK on that. So now we're searching within Hillsborough County here for these specific land use types with these zoning codes. So I'll go ahead and hit search parcels. Now this will take a minute just because it's going to populate and it has to do a search itself. So we will wait for this search to populate here, which it has just completed. We can see that we have a total of, down at the bottom right here, 10,296 that fit into that. Now we can take a look through these here, kind of see which ones we like based on this list. We can export this records to Excel or text. We can export a records mailer. If we wanted to save this search, I can hit save search results here, give it a name, hit OK, and then come back tomorrow and we could load that save search. Now if I wanted to see where all these parcels were, we can come into the map up here at the top, and then it'll pre-populate in yellow all of those different parcels that would fit underneath those zoning and land use type. So we could take a look here. If I wanted to narrow it down even a little bit more, we can go back to the parcel search, hit this search here, and we could even put in an acreage. So if we were looking for any acreages, maybe between 10 and 50, we could say. I'll hit search parcels once again, and we can see we're down to 608 from that 10,000. So again, click on the map, and we could see all these parcels highlighted in yellow are the ones that had fit into the search criteria that we had input.